Today I'm going to show you how I make a spinach and garlic hummus that my family loves. And so without further ado, let's get started. It's super easy. Listen guys, I don't measure most of the time. So I'm going to show you it's super easy to be creative and not follow a recipe. I'm hoping that this one will encourage you to just create. So many times I've been asked for recipes. I truly don't have recipes. So here we go. I'm going to show you that you truly can't go wrong. So what I did was I took a can of organic chickpeas or garbanzo beans. I opened them, drained them, rinsed them, drained them again, rinsed them, drained them again, and let's pour those. Today I'm using my my Ninja, just because it's super easy, and actually I've lost the blade literally. I don't know where it went. It disappeared. The blade to my food processor. So use whatever you have available, whether it be a Ninja or a Vitamix or something similar, or a food processor. It doesn't matter as long as it's got a blade and it's going to grind it all up, okay? All right, so I have that. Unfortunately, I'm completely out of my Tumi seasoning, so I will be using some Himalayan salt. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a couple turns there. And I really like white pepper, so I'm just going to put a little dash of white pepper in there. Okay, I'm going to squeeze a half of a lemon in here. I don't care if the seeds get in there or not, it's going to get ground down to nothingness anyway. My family really likes me to use lots of lemons, so we'll see if that's enough. If not, I have more lemons available. I'm going to go ahead and peel this clove of garlic. My son even likes to dip his sandwiches in this, like meat sandwiches. Okay, so then I have a whole container here of spinach. I'm just going to literally grab a handful. You see that? No measurement except for a handful. There's my measurements for you. I lied. I follow a recipe. A handful of this, a dollop of that, a can of this, a sprinkle of that. Okay, so, whoop. So here's a big scoop of Greek plain yogurt. There's 2 scoops. You can use whatever brand you want. There's 3 scoops. Let's see how that turns out. I'm gonna move this out of the way. All right. Yeah. Sure. All right, so I'm just gonna try it. Yummy as always, but I believe it needs a little more salt. Maybe a tad bit more pepper. All right. Now let's try it again. Yummy. Okay, so one of the things that I will tell you about this is it is not the typical thickness of regular tahini type hummus. Pouring it into a cup. I mean, yes, it's thick. You can see how it drops like that. It's just not what you're used to in the processed kind at the store. Anyway, so those are the ingredients. You can switch it up and make it your own. You can add cayenne. Kids like to do a little bit spicier, and so we go with a little bit of tapatio or similar. Sometimes we won't do the spinach at all, and we'll just do garlic hummus with cayenne, or like I said, the hot sauce. Whatever kind of hot sauce you want, you can put in there. And then I have done a roasted red pepper hummus I've done. Actually, I did a beet as well. I did a roasted beet hummus as well. So really it's just truly whatever you like, and then make it your own. But yes, this is how I do it. I use just, it didn't take that much Greek plain yogurt, and obviously it did more than just this little thing. There's still a bunch in here, but this would be for just a quick afternoon snack for the family. I actually do this and prep this ahead of time for the meal preps that I do for my son sometimes, and I will stick them into little plastic cups with lids on them and send him in his lunch for him to dip his broccoli or cauliflower or carrots or celery or whatever into it. I like to make my own crackers for him to dip into it. So yeah, anyway, super easy recipe, guys. Make it your own. Have fun with it. Don't be worried about what, If anything, add garlic. Garlic makes everything better. Hey guys, thanks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends. It would help me greatly build my channel. Thank you.